因為呢個係一個暑期嘅特備節目 ，Misschauchau 同你一齊睇新聞 ，What's in the news？ Hello， 大家好，我係 Misschauchau， 歡迎大家嚟到 Misschauchau 教室。呢排世界盃喺俄羅斯舉行得如火如荼，我哋又點可以唔講佢呢？今日咧揀咗嘅報紙咧就係英國每日郵報嘅新聞。
我擠咗個報紙嘅連結喺 info box， 如果你哋想嘅話，可以打開一齊嚟睇㗎。
咁咧，我本身咧就唔係一個好睇足球嘅人嚟嘅，但係都會睇下周邊嘅花邊新聞啦。事不宜遲，我哋今日就睇呢單新聞啦。咁我哋睇報紙之前咧，咁必須要睇嘅咧就係佢嘅標題啦。
Japanese World Cup fans almost caused a water catastrophe in Tokyo when they all rushed to the toilet at the same during the half-time break in March against Colombia。
咁咧，其實你見到咁長嘅標題嘅時候咧，盡量咧就將佢咧減開一半先。咁你就見到呢個字啦 ，catastrophe。catastrophe 咧係一個名詞嚟嘅，名詞 noun。咁咧佢就代表災難嘅意思啦。咁咧可以係一個直接嘅用法。We are always warned of ecological catastrophe if we continue to use fossil fuel excessively。咁即係話咧，如果我哋繼續用嗰啲燃料咧，去繼續用得好多嘅時候咧，咁我哋咧就可能會有呢個生態上嘅災難啦。咁呢個係一個直接嘅用法。Catastrophe 呢個字仲可以引申為，因為災難啊嘛，咁即係代表一個好災難性嘅影響啦。例如會話 The heavy rain this morning is a catastrophe for me。哇，今朝完全由頭濕到落腳啊，勁濕咯，完全係勁慘啊！咁你就可以用到呢個 catastrophe 呢個字啦。咁呢個 catastrophe 呢個字咧，仲可以將佢變為 adjective 嘅形容詞啦，咁就會係
catastrophic。
咁咧就係災難性的啦。
The failure of the project could have catastrophic effects to our company。即係話呢個 project 衰咗嘅話，對我哋嘅公司有災難性嘅影響。
好啦，繼續睇我哋嗰個新聞啦。頭先我哋睇咗前面嗰半橛咧，就係講話喺日本嘅呢個世界盃嘅 fans 咧，佢哋就差啲釀成咗一個水嘅災難。When they all rushed to the toilet at the same during the half-time break in March against Colombia。咁你就見到咧，佢就係話當日本咧對決呢個 Colombia 嘅時候咧，咁就人人都去晒廁所喺呢個半場嘅時候，咁所以就導致到一個水嘅災難啦。因為當睇波嘅時候，到半場嘅時候，佢哋就忍唔住啦，就全部人衝晒去廁所。
啊，應該唔係咁，係咁至啱。
令到咧呢個東京嘅水嘅系統咧就有嗰個災難性嘅影響啦。OK， 好啦，我哋睇埋佢呢個4句概括文章嘅句子。
Japanese officials revealed water use in Tokyo rose by 24% at half-time。
咁即係講話咧喺呢個政府人員啦 ，revealed 嘅意思就即係話揭露啦、暴露啦。咁就係嗰陣時咧喺呢個半場嘅時間咧係升咗24% 嘅。
OK。Millions of people went to the bathroom during Japan's game against Colombia。
就講好多人去廁所啦。
Around 50% of the entire country's population watched the 2-1 victory。咁即係話成日本有成差唔多一半嘅人口咧，都有睇到呢一場日本對 Colombia 贏咗嘅比賽嘅。The city's waterworks is increasing supply ahead of the next game on Sunday。場比賽就喺6月19號嘅時候發生嘅，嚟緊24號嘅比賽咧，咁咧佢就會改善下嗰個供水嘅系統啦。咁可能就會有人話，點解 waterworks 呢隻字有 s， 但係後面咧又會係 is 嘅咧？即係點解佢會 plural 得嚟咧？佢又有 singular 咧？咁其實咧有好多字都係咁嘅，未必咧佢咧加咗 s 就代表佢 plural， 或者佢冇加 s 亦都唔等於咧佢唔係 plural 嚟嘅。有陣時可能一啲 uncountable noun， 例如 the news 啦。有陣時有可能係一啲 plural noun 唔需要加 s， 例如 deer、sheep。亦都有可能係 collective noun， 例如 the audience。咁首先我哋講翻 waterworks 呢個字先啦。
呢個字咧就代表好多唔同嘅水管，喺一個大廈或者係一個地方嘅一個系統啦。咁所以咧佢就會係 waterworks。佢本身呢隻字咧已經係有 s 喺度噶啦，佢並唔係 plural 同 singular 嘅問題嘅。咁我哋咧其實可以引申為咧喊喎。咁點樣做咧 ？When she broke up with her boyfriend, she turned on the waterworks。佢愛我，佢唔愛我，佢愛我，佢唔愛我，佢愛我，佢愛我，佢唔愛我。好，我哋繼續睇呢一單嘅新聞啦喎。
Japanese football fans narrowly avoided a water crisis after a stampede of halftime toilet breaks caused shortages across Tokyo。
咁呢個句子咧又係比較長嘅，咁我哋又係分開一句句咁睇啦。咁首先就係想講話 Japanese football fans narrowly avoided a water crisis。咁即係話咧，佢而家嗰啲 Japanese football fans 咧係避開咗一個劫難 ，crisis 亦都係劫難嘅意思。咁就係名詞嚟嘅，係 noun 嚟嘅 water crisis。OK， 咁咧 narrowly avoided 咁即係爭啲就避唔開，而家係避開咗。例如係點咧？ I narrowly avoided the trap set by Amy。咁即係話佢咧就俾個氹我踩啦，俾個氹我踩之後咧，咁我差啲就避唔開啦。我避，差啲避唔開，但係而家係避開咗嘅。咁呢個就叫做 narrowly avoided 啦。咁就係 after stampede of halftime toilet breaks。OK， 又係一嚿嘢啦呢一度。好啦 ，stampede 嘅意思係咩咧？咁 stampede 咧就係一個名詞嚟嘅，就代表咧一大堆嘅人同一時間去同一個嘅喐動，就叫 stampede 啦。例如每一年嘅暑假咧都會有書展啦，係咪？咁書展咧就會有好多人喺會展嗰度等噶啦喎。嗰一下你一開門嗰下就會嗰啲人同一樣嘅動作，就係全部一齊衝入去，咁你就可以形容 it is a stampede。A
person was injured in the stampede as the door of the hall opened on the first day of the book fair。
咁即係話一大堆嘅人啦，同一個方向咁樣跑落去嘅時候咧，咁就有個人咧就受咗傷啦。好，咁就即係話咧，佢而家形容就係一大堆嘅人一齊去廁所，差啲會導致到有個水嘅短缺啦。Millions of people rushed to the bathroom in the Japanese capital as the national side went in for halftime in their match against Colombia at the World Cup on Tuesday。咁即係其實佢都係講緊同一樣嘅時間，有一大堆人就跑過去 toilet 啦呢一句子。
But the city's waterworks bureau revealed on Friday that water use jumped by 24% in Tokyo during the break, leading to near catastrophic consequences。嗰度嘅類似水務局啦，咁佢就講話喺嗰一段時間咧，就有成24% 嘅升幅，係講緊股票啊。用水量啦，咁就係令到差啲有一個災難性嘅結果。Flushed with joy after watching Yuya Osako bag a second-half winner for Japan against 10-man Colombia in Russia on Tuesday。好啦，我哋先又係睇咗一半橛先啦。Flushed with joy 即係話佢哋衝刺衝得非常之開心啦。我哋平時咧見到呢個 bag， 咁我哋會係講一睇就知係袋嘅意思啦。如果當佢用做動詞嘅時候咧，咁就有另一個意思啦。佢得到咗一啲獎啊。 He is eager to back his second victory of this year。
Yuya Osako 佢就得到咗呢個下半場嘅時候咧，佢就得到呢個獎，即係話佢幫呢個日本入球啦。咁就對抗咗呢個係10個人嗰隊 Colombia team 啦。咁因為佢度有個 hyphen 啦，咁所以變咗佢個 man 呢個位咧係唔需要 plural 嘅。Jubilant fans made another dash for the loo at the final whistle。Jubilant 呢個字係一個 adjective 嚟嘅，呢個字咧就代表咧好開心啦，非常之激動啦，咁就形容 fans 咧就最合切啦。The fans were jubilant for the team's victory。咁咧佢喺度 made another dash， 即係你可以想像到嗰個畫面就係成堆人衝下衝去廁所。For the loo 咧其實就係即係 toilet 嘅意思啦，但係一個 informal 嘅用法嚟 ，causing another spike of 50% in water use。咁呢個 spike 咧，你有陣時咧會見到一啲髮型咧就叫做 spiky hair。我啲青春期嘅學生咧一對住塊鏡就咁樣啊！哎呀，我冇令到自己 spiky 啊，冇啦 ，OK。碧咸啊！呢 呢個 causing another spike of 50%， 咁即係其實你都想像到啦。咁 spike 係代表尖啊嘛，咁即係 spike 咧就代表升幅嘅意思啦。We presume it's because a lot of people holding off on a trip to the bathroom all went at once. A Waterworks official told AFP。咁呢個 hold off 咧，你又可以見到另一個 phrasal verb 啦。hold off 嘅意思即係話大家忍住一啲嘢，而家唔即刻做住，所以佢呢度用到 hold off on a trip to the bathroom， 咁即係話忍住唔去 toilet。The audience were holding off on a trip to the bathroom during the movie.
Water use can fluctuate, especially during football matches, which only have one break in the middle, she added.Fluctuate 嘅意思即係有高有低，有高有低啦。咁即係話咧，用水嘅量咧係有陣時有高有低嘅，尤其是咧因為佢成個足球咧係得一個中間嘅半場時間啦。It also can be affected by a period of time, excitement and other factors。咁即係話仲有其他唔同嘅因素所影響嗰個用水量啦。We are ready to prepare for a stable water supply during the next match on Sunday。咁即係話佢哋已經準備好下一次嘅，即係嚟緊24號嘅比賽咧，佢哋就會有一啲比較穩定嘅供水系統啦。 Japan now go on to play Senegal on Sunday, with officials in Tokyo saying they will be ready for the increased demand the fixture is expected to place on the city's waterworks。
咁即係話咧，嚟緊咧日本咧又會有一場對呢個 Senegal 嘅比賽啦。Senegal 就係非洲嘅其中一個國家啦。東京嘅政府咧已經準備好供水系統咧，就會有一個比較上升嘅供應啦。咁就去令到嗰啲人咧去廁所嘅時候都唔會有問題啦。Nearly half of Japan's 127 million strong population tuned in to watch the 2-1 victory over Colombia on Tuesday。呢個 tune in 就代表即係話去睇或者去聽一啲節目，咁即係話佢哋去睇一場嘅比賽啦。The viewing rate for the fixture also hit a yearly high of 48.7% in Japan。咁即係話呢一場嘅比賽咧，就有一個好高嘅觀看率啦，就有成差唔多50% 嘅人啦，即係差唔多成個 Japan 成個日本嘅一半嘅人口都有睇嘅 ，surpassing the 33.9% mark when Japan figure skating hero Yuzuru Hanyu won Olympic gold in February。咁即係話喺2月嘅時候嗰個冬季嗰個奧運會咧，咁就仲高過 surpassing 即係高過啦，仲高過嗰陣時嘅33.9% 啦。呢一單新聞咧就講關於呢個供水嘅系統啦，咁就希望大家睇完都會明白咗呢一單嘅新聞嘅意思啦。如果中意嘅就俾個 like 同埋 share 俾你嘅朋友啦，咁可以 subscribe 埋我呢個 channel。咁成個暑假咧都會有不定期嘅 Misschauchau同你睇報紙嘅呢個節目啦，咁我就會最少一星期都有一段呢個睇新聞嘅片啦，咁希望喺呢個暑假裏邊可以同你哋一齊過得好充實啦。So be sure to tune in to watch my next video. Bye!